Hey there. So here is a super simple, very basic eyeshadow look for fall that I think is so cute on, very natural. You don't have to put a lot of effort into it. It's just an effortless eye look, but it still has impact. So first color is Pup. Pup is an amazing, just very basic neutral color. I'm probably on my third tin of Pup because it was one of the first colors I ever got and I used it all the time. This color, also use a lot. This is called Basic, speaking of basic. And just, we're gonna put this into the crease and above the crease. We're also going to kind of go right out here in this outer corner, drag a little underneath your eye just to give yourself a little bit of a liner. We're just gonna build on this too. This is only a 3-color look, so it's okay. Don't think I'm getting very crazy with this. This is gonna be it. There's one more color. Again, very neutral, like very earthy tone color, great for fall. I'm just blending right now because you always have to blend. Just make sure you're blending when you do eye looks. So last color we're using is Coco. I love this color for outer corner and lining. A good tip with Coco and any of these darker browns is you can wet a brush, like your line brush or your multitasker brush, this little end, and you can just wet it a little bit with some setting spray or some water and then use it as an eyeliner. It works really well. I'm just gonna actually just take the smudgier end of the eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna kind of make a V shape right here, just a little bit of this color, because we're just deepening this outer crease, and I'm just gonna blend. That is probably too much even. You just need a very little bit. Colors are highly pigmented, and so just the littlest bit. Like these tins will last you a long time. I mean, I tend to overdo it. See what I did? I tend to over apply my eyeshadow. It's just a habit I need to get out of because I'm used to using other palettes like years before, and they're just not as pigmented and they're not as good. So you had to use a lot more. I'm used to like putting a ton of makeup on my brush and I should be better by now, but I just overdo things. I'm extra. So let's clean that up. You can take this buff brush, which is really great for cleaning up eyeshadow looks that you overdo like me, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in this outer corner to kind of smooth that out. And it's okay to have a little smudgier kind of eye sometimes. Just give yourself a little hooker smudge there. And then you can take your Vanilla Dust setting powder or some other white light color and just kind of put it up here right in the arch, just to give a little bit of light up top there. And that's it. That eye look is it. Mascara and you're done. Super basic, very neutral, good for fall, just 3 colors. And like I said, you can always add a shimmer to it later if you want to amp it up some. Some good colors to add to that, and if you're going to add a shimmer to that, would be Sabrina. I'm just kind of looking at my colors. Sabrina's a great color. You could add a little unicorn to that if you really want to get good contrast. So this is Sabrina. You could also add a color like Riviera, which is a new color we have. You could add a shimmer, like even you could add a little pink to this. So you could add Peppa to this. I really like Peppa. That's a real pinky kind of, you know, it's a muted pink. But you could even get real pink and add something like On Wednesdays, which is a really pretty color too. It's like a little iridescent. I think there's a lot of options you could add to this to dress it up and make it, you know, an evening look. Okay, so I added Sabrina just to kind of give you an idea. I'm sorry I did it off camera. I wasn't going to, and I'm like, you know what, I should do that. So I added Sabrina from the corner, I put a little bit in my corners. I used just the smudgier end of the brush, and I just went into the corner and then across just a little bit, and then I also just dabbed a little bit right here, but I made sure to hit up the corners really good so that there's that pop of light. And then I also added mascara because, well, I forgot to add my mascara before I took all the before and after pictures. So, well, the after pictures, not the before. So I added mascara and then I took some more after. So this is the finished look, and I'll put a picture with mascara after this so you can see it. Okay, anyway, that's all I got for you. DM me if you need help with any of these colors, or just pick your own colors. That's all I need to say. Okay, thanks so much for watching.